How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the SoundMAGIC e11s. Now in the near future I will be coming up with another video comparing the e10s and the e11s. Well, we're gonna just leave that for now. In this video, however, I'm just gonna talk about the e11s and what I think about them. Now I'm not gonna do the unboxing because it's really exactly the same as the e10s box. So you got the same specs and everything. They just look a bit different, I guess. Now I actually ordered the E11C, but I got the E11s, but I mean, I don't care. I mean, honestly, I don't really give a rat's ass. So these are the E11s. Now the box and everything that you get is pretty much the same. So this is the case that you get, and it's the same thing. The earbuds are kind of similar as well. But what's the difference is, unlike the E10s, with the E11s you only get 3 different sizes of ear tips. So that's really the only difference, and you're missing a clip, so you can't really attach a clip on it. But here are the E11s. Now I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and I'll say right off the bat, these are the best I have ever heard of earbuds. Now I'm gonna get the FIO FH5s in the next month or so, and I'll compare these to those. But these cost me 50 quid because I thought I was getting the E11C, but I got the E11s. So these are actually 40 quid right now on Amazon, and definitely check them out. Now let's start off with the bottom of the cable. Like every single earbud review I do, we're gonna move up. The headphone jack is actually 60 degrees angled, unlike the E10s, which are like straight, and it's made out of metal. The construction on this is actually a little on the cheap side. I find that this back bit over here it actually could come off, but otherwise it seems pretty solid, and it's got like this design on it which allows you to actually pull it off now, so it's not slippery like the E10s clip. The wire is something I'm really impressed by. It's really flexible, and it's really easy to straighten out, unlike the E10s cable, which was like proper annoying, but it was good quality. Now this wire is silver coated and everything, so it's audiophile grade quality wire. High quality. It is a bit rubberized, so it's got like a little resistance to it. Now in terms of cable noise, it's very low. In fact, I'll say there's zero. The only noise that you hear is the cable rubbing against your clothes, which kind of the vibrations, they travel all the way up the wire to your audio, but that's very low as well. It's not a problem. Now these didn't come with the clip, I don't know why, but anyways, forget that, it doesn't matter. We're gonna move up to the earbuds, which is the most important bit. If you look at the earbuds, I'll go ahead and I guess I can take a picture of it for the thumbnail. But if you look at them, they're pretty much exactly the same as the E10s. They're just the colors that's different. Now the ear tips actually, the earbuds are the same. They're made out of metal, very light. Pretty much the same design at the bottom as well, as you can see. The ear tips are made out of silicone, which is different compared to the E10s. And the drivers, they do say that they're using different drivers, although they are the same size. But when you actually look on the inside, there's actually a tiny bit of gap between the driver, and then there's like a metal ring around it, so it's a different driver. It's pretty much the same. I'll compare the E10s and the E11s in the next video or so. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Now according to SoundMAGIC, these are the most balanced whatever earbuds, and as soon as I put them in my ear, I was blown away by the sound quality of these. I mean, you know, with the E10s, I was like, these are really good compared to the Byrons. I find they're more enjoyable because the higher frequencies are more prominent. But these are like absolutely they're like freaking behemoths. The bass, it has a lot of texture to it, and it has a lot of impact. Now I'm not sure about, as far as the bass goes, if it's actually a very flat sound. I mean, a very flat sound frequency response, because the bass does kind of stand out a bit more than the other frequencies. The mids have a lot of detail, and they're not like messed up in any way. The bass doesn't creep into them, and the highs, unlike the E10s, which were like a little brighter when it comes to, you know, the highs, they're kind of sizzly, I guess you can say. They had a lot of sparkle to them. These are a lot more natural. They have a lot of airiness to the highs. The highs are are amazing. They're just kind of more lush, I guess. They're more natural, as in they sound more realistic towards like real life and all. So bass, mids and the highs, absolutely astonishing. I love it. And the sound of the frequency response is flat. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's freaking flat. It's perfect for me. As soon as I put them in my ear, I'm like, these are the things that I was looking for my whole life. My mission is complete. Let's go down to hello heaven. In terms of soundstage, it's completely natural and it's still wide as flip. The imaging is actually nice as well. I can't compare it to the DT770 Pro because those obviously are at a whole new level, and the headphones and everything. But the imaging for, you know, 50 or 40 pounds, this is a definitely hit. Like every other earbud on the market, like I don't know. I mean, they've got a really good competition over here. Now this is not a sponsored video or anything. I actually bought these with my own money, and I think one of my subscribers or someone did say they wanted me to check these out. So I went ahead and bought them. But I didn't expect them to be much better than the E10s, but they are on a whole new level. Now, I'll compare them in another video to the E10s, but for now, these, I'll leave a link in the description. Definitely go check them out. Oh, I forgot to pull up the list. I'm just gonna do it now. Sorry. So the E11s right now are right on the top, above the E10s. They're using the similar kind of driver, obviously. They are a little bit more pricey. I should have brought E11C because these are actually 40 pounds. So 35 versus 40, definitely get the E11s over the E10s. But yeah, I mean, others, I'm actually going to review some of those on the list. But these right now are on the top of my list, which means these are the best I've heard so far. Obviously, we'll see next month with the few FH5 or even the FH1s if I get those. But yeah, definitely stick around. I'll leave a link in the description. Go ahead and pick these up if you're in the market for new earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in another video.